In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more money on TurboTax. If you're eager to maximize your tax refund this year, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you leave no stone unturned in claiming every dollar available to you. First things first, you'll want to head over to TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. This online platform is an efficient and user-friendly tool to help you navigate through the often confusing world of taxes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, your journey to a greater refund begins. Now, you're going to want to focus on the income section. Clicking on it will lead you to where you can manage and review all your income details. This is a crucial step because your income information forms the backbone of your tax return. So take a moment to ensure all the details are accurate. Accuracy here is key to avoiding any potential issues with the IRS down the line. Next, you'll want to click on the Wages and Income Summary. This area provides a comprehensive overview of all your income sources. It's important to check that all your income streams, such as wages, investments, and any freelance or gig work, are properly accounted for. If you overlook any income, it could affect your refund, so double-check each entry carefully. Once your income is accurately reported, the next step is to manage your income and maximize your deductions. This means taking advantage of any deductions and credits you qualify for. Deductions can lower your taxable income, while credits can directly increase your refund. TurboTax offers helpful suggestions and prompts to guide you through potential deductions, such as student loan interest, mortgage interest, or charitable contributions. It's worth spending some time exploring these options as they can significantly impact your taxable income and, consequently, your refund. Remember, the key to maximizing your refund lies in the details. Make sure you take the time to understand each section and use the resources within TurboTax to guide you. The software is designed to help you find every possible deduction and credit, but it's essential to be thorough and attentive to your specific financial details. By following these steps, navigating to the right sections, ensuring your income is correctly reported, and maximizing your deductions, you'll be well on your way to getting more money back on your tax return. Good luck, and remember, every little bit counts when it comes to getting the most out of your tax refund.